Hello, Bruce Cox for the Retirement Toolbox with another stress-free investing idea. Today we're going to discuss discounted designer annuities. But before we go into the details, a little housekeeping. You can call me at 800-955-7898 with any questions, or you can visit the retirement-toolbox.com website for more information on discounted designer annuities and other stress-free investing ideas. We're excited about discount designer annuities because they're now paying more than 7 times the 1-year bank CD rate, or triple the 10-year treasury rate. That's right, they're paying more than 7 times the bank CD rate and 3 times the 10-year treasury rate. Jumbo CDs for 1 year are paying 0.7%. The 10-year treasury is paying 1.67 as we record this. So if you're stressed out, worried about gut-wrenching stock market losses, yo-yo volatility, then this stress-free investing idea could be perfect for you. If you're worried about the euro crisis spreading from Greece to Italy and Spain, toppling global stock markets, requiring more bailouts, bigger deficits, and higher taxes, then this stress-free investing idea could be perfect for you. If you're worried about Obama getting reelected or not being reelected, this idea could be perfect for you. And if you're living off dividends and interest and bank CDs are just not paying enough, then this stress-free idea could be perfect for you. With discount designer annuities, you'll know exactly what you're going to receive, when you're going to receive it, and for how long you're going to receive it. It's no mystery, no uncertainty, no worry. And it's guaranteed. Discount designer annuities are guaranteed by insurance companies. Did you know that during the Great Depression, it was the insurance companies that bailed out the banks, not the government? These companies have been around for 75 to 100 years or longer. They survived 2 world wars, Korea, Vietnam, Iraq 1 and 2, Afghanistan, 9/11, Watergate, Jimmy Carter and Barack Obama. They know how to manage risk and keep your money safe. And as you learn more, you'll find that these are perfect for IRAs, 401ks, and other retirement funds, for trust and custodial accounts, for gifting to children and grandchildren, or just people looking for current and future income streams. Now, our safe income strategies take away stress by eliminating market losses so you know your capital is safe and secure, by earning reasonable rates of return so you know your money's working for you, and your income steady and reliable so you can count on it. For those reasons, discount designer annuities have been called the CD killer, paying 7 times more interest. It's a game changer, and it's a difference maker. If you're living off of interest on a bank CD, and your $10,000 a year interest goes to $70,000, that's a difference. So we have a compelling story, a better way to save and invest. Now, we have 3 safe income strategies that we work with, and they're all focused on keeping your money safe, generating a steady, reliable income you can count on, paying more than bank CDs, money markets, and treasuries, and doing so without the yo-yo volatility and downside risk of stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. These strategies work. During the financial market meltdown of 2008 and 9, none of our clients lost money using these strategies due to market volatility. Their money was safe and secure, their income was steady and reliable. So you're asking yourself, how do we get high yields with discount designer annuities? We do this by providing liquidity where no liquidity exists to people who need liquidity. Discounted designer annuities work like this. Someone settles a lawsuit, and a structured settlement annuity is purchased from an insurance company. The recipient receives a guaranteed payment stream. but there's no surrender option. They can't cash out the annuity. Well, circumstances change. People need cash now. That's where we step in. We buy the future cash flows at a discount, and you get a steady, reliable income stream that's now paying between 5 and 6%. The court approves the assignment, and all future payments are guaranteed and paid directly to you by the insurance company. Now, each designer annuity is different. Some pay immediate income, some defer income for a number of years, some pay lump sum bonuses, some have income streams that may increase for inflation, say every 12 months, and there could be a combination of the above. But what they have in common is a steady, reliable income you can count on that's paying more than bank CDs, money markets, and treasuries. To see examples of some discounted designer annuities, you can go to the safeincomestrategies.com blog, where you can sign up for the Safe Income Strategy #1 offering list, and we'll email you offerings as they become available. You're thinking, I never heard about discounted designer annuities before. Well, they're not a security, so your stockbroker doesn't offer them. And you haven't heard about this strategy because it hasn't been available to individuals until just recently. It's a multi-billion-dollar niche market that flies under the radar, deliberately. It's been known to a small circle of originators, a few hedge funds, and a few billionaires. And they have no incentive to tell you about it. In fact, some have signed non-disclosure, non-compete, non-circumvent agreements. So they can't tell you even if they wanted to. And the originators won't talk to individuals unless you can invest $60 million a year. $5 million a month, $60 million a year. Otherwise, it's not a good use of their time. They can pick up the phone, call a hedge fund investor, offer them a $50 million portfolio, and get an answer in about 5 minutes, yes or no. Now, if they pick up the phone and speak to an individual, it could take them a half an hour to an hour to get them to invest in a $50,000 or $100,000 transaction. That's just not a good use of their time. And you can't go directly to the insurance companies because they're not going to offer you these kind of yields. They don't offer discounts. Now you say, what's the catch? Well, there is a catch in that we're trading liquidity for higher yield. So you should be able to hold these to maturity. If you sell prior to maturity, you'll be in the same shoes as the original seller, and you'll be liquidating a non-liquid investment, and it'll be liquidated at a discount. You'll probably lose money on your remaining balance. So you should have a high net worth and sufficient liquidity in order to participate. Otherwise, you should pass on this. Our safe income strategies work. Call us at 800-955-7898 to find out how they can work for you. Visit the blog safeincomestrategies.com/blog for examples of discount designer annuities. Sign up for the offering list, and visit the retirement-toolbox.com for more information about discount designer annuities and other stress-free safe income strategies. Thank you for listening, and we're waiting for your call. Thank you.